Morning children. In the previous class we had seen the properties of rational numbers. The first property which we had seen was closure property. Now we will see the second property, and that is commutative property. Commutative property for rational numbers. Now in this property, what's the property? If A and B are any two rational numbers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Now let us check whether addition is commutative or not. Example, let us take 1A is equal to 2 by 7 and B is equal to 3 by 7. So for showing A plus B is equal to B plus A plus B is your LHS. The left hand side, A plus B. Add it. How much you get? 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7. You get 1 7. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 by 7. Now RHS, A plus B not. Now the position of this is changed. It becomes B first and then A second. So B is your 3 by 7. So first we will be writing 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7. That is equal to 7. Now 3 plus 2, you get 5. That is, you have 5 by 7. Now you have got LHS and RHS same. That is 5 by 7 and 5 by 7. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, you can say that addition is commutative. Addition of rational numbers is commutative. Okay, we can say that. Now coming for subtraction. So coming for subtraction, let us see whether it is true or not. So we have got the conclusion, addition is commutative. Now if A and B. Now let us see for subtraction. So for subtraction, you take A is equal to 2 by 7, B is equal to 3 by 7. When it comes, what do you get? It should be LHS is equal to RHS, that is LHS is A minus B. A is your 2 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So how much you get? 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 7. And RHS, you have A, not A, it is B. B minus A. B minus A is, B is your 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 minus 2 by 7. You just have to change the places. A and B, place is being changed in this. So now you do it. 3 minus 2 by 7. 3 minus 2 by 7 is 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 is not equal to minus 1 by 7. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence, you can say that subtraction is not commutative. Is not commutative for rational numbers. Got it? Now the third one, multiplication. Let us see for multiplication whether multiplication is commutative or not. Multiplication. We are just going to change the sign. Rational numbers are A is equal to 2 by 7 and B is equal to 3 by 7. Now LHS will be here A into B. Now it means you have A is 2 by 7 into 3 by 7. So 2 by 7 into 3 by 7 you get 2 into 3 and 7 into 7, that is 6 by 49. Now next RHS, you have B into A, that is equal to B is your 3 by 7 into 2 by 7. You get it 3 into 2 by 7 into 7. You have it as 6 by 49. So these two both are same, 6 by 49 and 6 by 49. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Hence you can write multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. Commutative for rational numbers. So addition is commutative, subtraction is not commutative, multiplication is commutative. Now for division. Division. Let the two rational be. A is equal to 2 by 7. B is equal to 3 by 7. So you have it A divided by B. LHS. A divided by B means 2 divided by 7 divided by 3 divided by 7. So you get it as 2 by 7 into, you have to just write the reciprocal, 7 by 3, 7 7 cancel, you have it 2 by 3. Now RHS. RHS is B divided by A. Now B divided by A means 3 by 7 divided by 2 by 7. See, we are just changing the place. In place of 2 by 7, we are writing 3 by 7. Just changing the place. Now, you get it as 3 by 7 into 7 by 2. 7 7 cancel. Now you get here 3 by 2. Now what is the answer here? It is 2 by 3 and it is here 3 by 2. Both the fractions are different or both the rational numbers are different. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence, division is not commutative. It is not commutative for rational numbers. So, ultimately we have to come to the result that our result is, first, addition is commutative. Addition is commutative. Subtraction is not commutative. Is not commutative. Multiplication is commutative. But division, it is not commutative. So two things are commutative, that is addition and multiplication, but subtraction and division is not commutative. This is here result for commutative for rational numbers. This is for rational numbers. Okay, got it? So now next topic we will see in the next class.